Every job that we produce, to me, the quality is the most important thing, and we're putting out incredibly high quality parts right now. All of the CNC machines are making very accurate, repeatable parts. If we need to tweak a part, being able to take off a few thousandths of an inch to improve the part is better. I think at the very start, prior to getting the CNC, we were just making parts. Now we're able to actually design a part, and that is a huge improvement. My name is Joe Pifo. I own Elevator Interiors in Syracuse, New York. The company has been around about 20 years. I've owned it for about the last 10 years. We've grown from a small 3,000 square foot building to a 18,000 square foot building. We had a hard time making repeatable parts. Every tape measure in the building seemed to come up with a different answer, and it made it very difficult to replace a part if necessary. When we started looking for our first CNC, I had always wanted one, but they never really were something that I could afford. When I found the SmartShop, it looked like an industrial machine at a price that I could afford, so I jumped at the opportunity to buy one. This is our first Laguna tool that I purchased. This is a SmartShop II. We use this to do all of our elevator panels that hang inside the elevators. Very accurate. When I looked for a CNC, I was looking for something that made a very accurate, repeatable part quickly, that was easy to program, easy to use, and something that fit in the budget that would pay for itself within a short period of time. This is our new Laguna CNC edge router. It has 3-axis CNC control, and we're going to use this exclusively for our reversible panel system.
Fits nice and smooth.
Once we got the SmartShop router up and running, we were making parts. It was making a lot of money. The next thing that we were looking for was a way to cut metal. We decided we would go with the plasma cutter. Being very happy with the SmartShop and the B&R controller, it worked the same way, used the same programming. It seemed like an obvious solution to cutting good metal parts, so we purchased that.
Cutting aluminum, I mean, that edge quality is incredible.
As far as the way the machines work, they've been very easy to program, very easy to use. We have had small issues, which Laguna was very great at taking care of very quickly. So we've had no real substantial downtime, and the machines have really worked flawlessly. This is our new Co2 Laser we bought to use as part of our new graphics division. We're going to take and use a lot of our Laguna tools that pretty much only cut rectangles and holes right now, and we're going to incorporate that into some of our scrap material to try and come up with some new products for sale. This is going to be an intricate part of that. After the success with the plasma cutter, we decided we would invest in the laser. This is our Laguna fiber laser, where we cut all of our metal parts. Very quick, very accurate. The parts come right off of the laser and right into our press brake. Great machine. Purchased a fiber laser with an exchange table. Makes a very accurate part very quickly. Been nothing but happy with it. Is a elevator cab that we produce. This one is going to a local job. All of these sheet metal parts were cut on our Laguna fiber laser. They have very accurate holes. Everything bolts and lines up very nicely. All of these holes here are for clips that hold the panels on the wall. All needs to be very accurate. These panels are cut on the SmartShop II. They have a matching clip. All hangs, all lines up very nicely using the two machines. I would definitely recommend Laguna tools for the purchase of a CNC equipment. The stuff has worked flawlessly for us. It's making me money, and I think that that's the bottom line. I would say every piece of equipment I bought from Laguna has paid for itself in 1 year. Prior to the CNC, we used to promise replaceable panels, but that in some cases meant that I would need to travel a couple of states away to verify what we had made 2 years earlier. With the CNC equipment, it is very easy to make a replacement panel, and we know that it will fit exactly. Prior to having the Laguna CNC equipment, I used to frequently go out in the shop and ask if we can make a particular project. I always used to get no. Now with the CNC, they're like, let's do it.